Hello, G-Quad family. This is Nana Ellen Pankey, Auntie Ellen, checking in. I will be doing a garden to soup, a garden to table video sooner or later. This is a pumpkin from my garden, carrots, onions, peppers, parsley from some of my fellow gardeners' garden, and back there, a little bit of thyme. The bottoms are getting old, but the tops are good. I'll tie them and put them in the soup, cut the bottoms off. And this will be part of our delectable, delightful dinner that I can thank my fellow gardeners. Oh, and I will be adding my potatoes from my own garden. As a matter of fact, no, too far. I'll have to put down the camera. I will show you on the next video how many I have. Bye now. Peace, love, and blessings. Love you. Bye. Hello, Garden, Quilt, and Art Traditions family, aka G-Quad. I am so happy. I'm just sharing the latest bounty. The squash or pumpkin, whatever that is from my garden. I've had 2 surgeries since May, and I'm only able to do a limited amount of gardening. But look at the bounty that some of my fellow gardeners have just left me, fresh from the garden. Gardeners love, gardeners share. This is what we do. And I just want to share with the rest of you how blessed I am to be a part of this community. Again, this is Nana Ellen Pankey, Auntie Ellen, known to a lot of you, signing out. Take care. Have a great day. Just staying in touch with you. And look at my collards, everybody. I can't wait to get some seasoning. Bye.